Hey everyone, roads can be unpredictable, and today we're sharing real-life traffic situations to help you stay prepared. These videos aim to educate, raise awareness, and make driving safer for everyone. So stay tuned, learn from these moments, and always drive responsibly. Oh, terrifying! Truck with glass crossed recklessly, hit by a car, glass shattered, a shocking sight. Stay careful on the road. Insane moment. Container truck barrels through, hitting cars, down goes the traffic light. Crazy scene. Stay alert on the road, everyone. Serious accident. A wrong-way vehicle caused a chain collision involving multiple cars. The scene is chaotic, hoping everyone is safe. Pile-up accident. 3 cars and a tanker truck collided, creating a chaotic scene. Always maintain a safe distance while driving. Terrifying moment. The car flipped multiple times in the air after a collision. A heavy impact, hoping the driver is safe. Dangerous situation. A car crossed the railway without checking and was hit hard by a train, hoping everyone is safe. Unexpected crash. A car hit a utility pole, causing it to fall onto the vehicle behind, hoping no one is injured. Close call. A car spins out of control on the road. Thankfully, no crash. Heart-pounding crash. A runaway truck slams into a car waiting at the red light. Total shock. Stay cautious out there, everyone. Unreal crash. Truck smashes into cars lined up at the light. Pure pandemonium. Praying no one's hurt. Drive safe. Another crash at the intersection. Truck slams into a car at the light. Pure chaos. Be extra careful at crossings, everyone. Unaware turn. Two cars collided at an intersection, causing a sudden crash. Hoping everyone is safe.
If your vehicle stalled.
Thanks for watching. Hope you're having an awesome day. We really appreciate you sticking around till the end if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, on-button subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest content. We've got more great videos coming your way. Big. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.